self-discipline, time management, and the ability to handle multiple clients simultaneously. By honing these skills, freelancers can build a sustainable career and enjoy the benefits of remote work.
This is honestly pretty doggone good. I mean, and if you look at the absolute deal, you know, I didn't even go over that with you guys yet, but it's $59. You know, for one code, you get 3 courses per month. So, I mean, you get 3 courses per month, and if you could somehow sell it, that'd be dope. But they don't condone that. That's not what they condone. I think you actually are only able to sell when you invest all the way in. That's with 3 different codes, and that is 177. So it's not bad. They give you AI generated images. It says not part of e-learning preview generation. So I guess you can't like change it up while you're in this preview thing like I am currently. You can't like do regeneration of what it looks like. You just gotta accept it. So that's interesting to see. In any regard, let's get back into it though. So I'm about a quarter way through. I know I'm not gonna go through this whole course in this video. That'd be insane. But I am gonna fast forward through it to see what it looks like. See if there's any type of multiple choices or
Affiliate
anything.
marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals earn commissions by promoting. To
Teach you
succeed
about
in
that.
affiliate marketing, it's crucial to identify profitable niches that align with your interests and expertise. Effective promotion strategies are key to maximizing earnings. Building partnerships with reputable brands is essential for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Affiliates should seek out brands that offer quality products and have a strong reputation in the market. By aligning with e-commerce and dropshipping, e-commerce has revolutionized the way. Dropshipping is an attractive business model for those looking to start an e-commerce venture without the need to hold inventory. To succeed in e-commerce and dropshipping, it's crucial to identify a profitable niche and source quality. Effective marketing strategies are content creation, monetization, advertising. Building a successful. Scaling a content creation business involves diversifying income streams. Digital SEO involves social. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to reach and retain customers. Scaling an online business requires avoiding scams and staying. One effective way to avoid scams is to conduct thorough research. Building a trustworthy online presence. Cybersecurity is a critical. Educating yourself.
Alright, so now they give you a quiz. Okay, that's interesting. Please answer these questions and pass the quiz in order to continue. What is the essential component for affiliate marketing? Hmm, product, promoting products for commissions. Alright, alright. What tool is essential for content creation? So it is 7 questions. Okay. What tool is essential for content creations? Canva? Fuck. I'm sorry. Not sorry. Just the truth. What is a common pitfall to avoid when making money online? Falling for scams. I didn't even have to look at anything else. Which platform is commonly used for setting up an online store? Shopify. What is the primary goal of digital marketing? Reducing brand visibility. What? Increasing online engagement. Customer. Yeah, increasing online engagement. What is the key benefit of freelancing? Fixed working hours, flexible work schedule, limited client base, guaranteed monthly income. Flexible in work schedule. Which strategy is crucial of or for growing an online business? Uh, reducing avoiding social media. What strategy is crucial for growing an online business? Utilize digital marketing techniques. All right, scored 100%. Is there anything else?
Well done. Thank you for completing this training.
Okay, so when that's done, what happens? And I don't know, what do you guys think about this course? Like, do you think that was a good? You think people actually will learn something from there, or what? Let me see.
Avoiding scams and staying safe online. One effect build cybersecurity.
I mean, I love the voiceover though. I love the voiceover. It's freaking amazing what they did with this. So let me exit that. And this is the course. I just created that in an instant, and it wasn't that long. It wasn't that short, but it wasn't that long. So I learned what they're about. Is it worth 177 for me to want to do? I don't know. If maybe I'll say that maybe. But this is the thing. Another tool came out today, and I really am interested in this. LearnAverse and build it yourself. Okay, so this is another one, but it looks so much more promising than that other tool. And it actually gives you table of contents with your course and all these other different things, for what a course should actually have. And you're able to build it just like that with AI. Only thing is they have credits or tokens or something like that. I don't really like that because that could be manipulated. It could increase. It could be a lot of different things going on with this, and I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the AI credits being in there. You know, so I wish they had a BYOK, so that way you wouldn't have to worry about the AI credits, and you could probably be a tier, maybe even just tier two. You for sure be cool. So I don't know. That's all I got for you guys. But yeah, the Openelms is out there, and then also LearnAverse is out here. So LearnAverse, you could actually create the e-learning type of software too, and you could turn basically anything into a whole training with just a matter of a few words or PDFs into training your team. Your team will love. That's what it says. I think that's dope. And you get to choose the difficulty of it and all that. So it kind of reminds me of another tool, Miro, but Miro's not here anymore. But it's very similar, but this is way better. It seems. I have to crack it open. Let me know if you guys want me to crack that one open too, and maybe I'll do a video about that. So anyway, this is your boy Boss Up Great, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.